Right, now this is a question on statistics, right? So we're given, this is grouped data, right? The height of each of the 140 basketball players is recorded, right? The table shows these kids are 140. Oh, basketball players, they're not kids, né? Right. So with age there and then with the frequency. For you to find the estimate of the mean, first thing you need to find what you call the mid-class values. Okay, so you find what you call the mid-class values. So for each mid-class value, you take the upper bound plus the lower bound, then you divide by 2. For instance, for the first one, you're saying 160 plus 180 divided by 2. So 160 plus 180 divided by 2, you get 120. So the mid-class value here is 120. The next one, 180 plus 185, right, then divided by 2, right, we're getting 182.5, 182.5 there. The next one, 185 plus 190, 185 plus 190, you get that divided by 2, should be 187.5, 187. I don't know why I'm wrapping, I'm putting a comma there. Right, sorry for that. It's 187.5. The next one is 190 plus 200, 190 plus 200 equals, then divided by 2, get 195. Lastly, we have 200 plus 210. 200 plus 210 equals, then divided by 2, we get 205. Awesome. Right, and then we need to find the estimate of the mean formula first. Okay, so the formula for the mean, right, x bar, which is h bar in this case, but you can just say mean equals, right, summation of the frequency times the mid-class value. You can call it x, but this has to be in brackets. Okay, so x is representing the mid-class value, that mid-class value, mid-class value, right? Then this is divided by the summation of the frequency. So this is equal to, right, 120 times 7 plus 182.5 times 12 plus 187.5 times 31 plus 195 times 70 plus 205 times 20. Right, then all this has to be divided by, right, we're told we have 140 there, so 140. Then this is equal to, we play around our calculator, right, fraction there, 120 times 7 plus 182.5 times 12 plus 187.5 times 31 plus 195 times 70 plus 205 times 20. 205 times 20. That is equal to, okay, maybe I need to divide some things here. I think I'd put a fraction. Yes, there's a fraction down there. Then this is divided by 140. 140 equals, right, as a fraction I'm getting 10,637. You can verify that. divided by 56 into a decimal. This gives me 189.946. Remember, our answers need to be to 3 significant figures. So in other words, this is approximately 190 centimeters to 3 SF. Alright, great. I hope you got this one right. Now let's move on to the next thing. Normally these questions come with probability, right? So we are told that 2 of the players are chosen at random. Okay, we are choosing 2 players at random. Find the probability that both players have a height which is greater than 190 centimeters and no more than 200. So this is a range that they're giving us. It's actually a class from 190 centimeters to 200 centimeters. So how many people are in that range? Both of these people must be in that range. There are 70 people, right? So we are saying probability that whoever that we are picking is in the range 190 centimeters less than h less or equal to 200. Right, this is equal to, right, there are 70 of them, so this is 70 over, right, how many players do we have? 140, right, multiplied by, so since you are picking 2 people from the same group, it means the second time you choose their rate is 69 over 139 because they would have dropped. By the way, the term both means multiply, right? So we are now simplifying this. This is 70 over 140 times 69 over 139. Right, as a fraction I am getting 69 over 278. So you can leave your probability as a fraction, but you can turn this into a decimal. That's 0.248201, which is approximately equal to 0.248 to 3 significant figures. Someone can decide to express this as a percentage, which is 24.8%. That will be still fine because probabilities can be expressed in n of those, right? I hope we got it right. Super.